is the best time to learn to trade? I'll tell you exactly. Right now, we are living this moment, this time in history, during what I call the golden age of trading. Think about it with me. Back in 1975, if you wanted to put a trade on, one share, 1,000 shares, it doesn't matter. One trade would have cost you $250 in commission. My parents couldn't have traded like that. Most people I know could not have traded, which is why it was a rich man's game pre-1975. But in 1975, they deregulated all the commissions, and the commission went from $250 all the way down to $40. Suddenly, the common man could start to trade for himself. At that time, that was like when Charles Schwab started the low-cost commission trading, and the common man began to invest for himself. Well, as the years progressed, the commission costs went lower and lower and lower, and I will never forget October 2019. I wake up, I look at the front page of Wall Street Journal, and they announced that Charles Schwab has dropped the commission to zero. My friends, it was the biggest game changer in the history of the trading world, and we are living in it right now. This is the golden age, the greatest time, the best time to ever be involved in the market is right now. I've always told people this. If you were born poor, it's not your fault. But if you die poor, it was your choice. Today, in America, this moment, the times are at hand for us to take advantage of the opportunities that we're given, that we've never had opportunities like this ever before in the history of the world. Let's grab it now. Let's take it. Let's run with it.